Hi, I'm back. And guess what happened? The freaking pigs broke part of the fence that I just fixed the other day. So who's getting back in there? Safety first. Learned that the hard way last time. Unplugging the fence. Ah! Trusty box of tools. Hurricane prep. Even though I'm pretty sure it's not coming to North Carolina, we're going to prepare for 30 to 40 mile an hour winds, which is normally higher than what we have. So working on feed buckets, water buckets for the hogs and stuff like that, because regardless, nobody wants to get out in that rain and take care of the animals. Test the fence and see if where I repaired it is working. Maybe a pig won't test it before I get a chance to.
Maybe Ace could test it.
Yeah, buddy. Oh goodness. Here, I'll move this. First things first. Take this, replacing the wire. They snapped it. So I'm gonna fix it before this hurricane comes in. You gotta keep it on me if I'm talking, so maybe they won't snap that. Phew. It's like pig crap. I need to move that one down a little bit. Oh crap, I'm stuck. I just need the hammer. I'm gonna lower that clip, this clip, because the pigs have been able to go right underneath this wire. That's when they end up snapping it. I gotta take the nail out first. Goodness gracious. Stuck in there. Okay. These little clips are pretty easy to put in. You got a nail and a clip, and it goes down in there, and you nail it into the fence. Lower than it was before, because that was the problem. So put it lower so they can't go under it. supposed to go that way, but it's going to be easier on me for it to be that way. Okay, we got that one. That one needs to be lowered, but I'm not going to mess with it right now. Just going to repair this one. This tree is dead. Dying. Well, I'm gonna have to cut it up. Okay. I'm about to throw some chickens over the fence in a minute so I can get them out of here. Why do I have that Moana song stuck in my head? Oh, wait, get it out of my head, somebody. What are the words? I just know the tune. I just snorted a mosquito. The pig liked it.
That was Ace.
I know, that's why I said he must have ate one. Right now I'm just twisting up this extra wire because I don't feel like clipping it. Then we gotta catch chickens and get them out of the pen. Okay. Alright, time to catch chicken. Let me walk back here and make sure they didn't break any of the other fence. Woman, come here. I got to get you out. I'm trying to help you out. Lucy. She jumped with both feet. Come on. What's wrong, buddy? Okay, buddy, I got it. It's okay. Gentry's freaking out because he doesn't want the chickens to eat this moth that we found, which is really pretty.
I'd rather let it die peacefully.
But something's wrong with it. It's gonna...
Keep it.
You can't keep it. It lives in the wild, and the chickens want to eat it because it's protein.
No.
It's the circle of life.
I'd rather it should die peacefully.
All right, buddy. You're gonna come see it?